Itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga eh. So, tatanga-tanga.
Anyway,
Ikaw
again,
ang Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes, okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun eh.
Okay po, tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness.
Sila po mismo ang nagdi-deny doon sa mga ibinabalita ngayon
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Mr.
Mr.
Chair,
Chairman.
I'd like to interject for a while here, while you're answering. Ang binabanggit mo, may nabalitaan ka? May nabalitaan ka? Oh, I mean, my goodness, if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan meron kang basis, meron kang tunay na basis, meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Sapagkat, Luka, ang Commission on Human Rights, for example, nag-imbestiga ng EJK at maraming nakita. Kami, in my Committee of Human Rights, marami kaming nakita. Oo. Samantalang ikaw, sinasabi mo, massive ha? Massive hoax ito. Wag naman, Mr. Chair. Oh, gusto kong maniwala sa statement mo kanina. Pero ngayon, itong statement na ito, hindi na maganda eh. Oh, nagsabi ka pa ng facts. Some of these so-called victims died years before or after Duterte's presidency. Where'd you get the information?
Nasa balita po, Your Honor. Yung iba po ay namatay ngayong last year lang po,
Madam,
2024.
Mr. Chairman,
Opo.
Madam, sa Quadcom po, sa hearing namin, at it was confirmed by Human Rights Commission, lahat po na nakalista doon, under our records, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission. Wala po doon yung prior and after
Wait, po ha, kasi ako.
ng Duterte's administration. And, Mr. Chairman, kindly, let me just remind that, sir, is he your counsel?
No, sir.
Oh.
From the House of Representatives po siya. Ay,
From the House?
nagpapapirma po. Sabi ko mamaya na kasi busy pa po tayo.
Anyway, madam,
Apo.
ma'am,
Yes,
wala
Your
po
Honor.
eh. Now you're talking about those mga disclaimer ng family. Now, ang tanong ko po, is it documented, under oath? Do you have a document for that? Or just a mere media reports?
Alin po, sir, yung tinatanong po ninyong documented or
Hindi,
media
yung
reports?
sinasabi mo na may mga families of victims na dineny, na-refute yung claims.
Posted po ng mga
Ayun nga ang
kamag-anak
problema,
nila,
posted
and then,
sa social
opo,
media.
and
Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po.
What
Next time.
noted?
Noted
Anong
po
noted?
noted po na,
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Hindi,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document? Under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Andale, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath. At hindi tayo basta magbabase sa sinasabi
Chair.
ng mainstream media.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
let me continue on the
Representative
statement
Abante.
he said.
Yes.
Sinabi niya, facts to nakalagay, facts. Many are completely unrelated to drugs or EJKs. Some of them are still very much alive. You said you do not have any documents on that. Now look, Miss
MJ na lang po. Para hindi po
Miss MJ,
po.
you are accountable to the victims. and you are accountable to us in the Quadcom. Pinasinungalingan mo kami. Pinasinungalingan mo ang mga victims. Now look, if you do not apologize right now, you listen.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do not apologize, I am going to make a motion to hold you in contempt.
I apologize, sir. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanita, sa susunod po ay maghahanap na lang po muna tayo ng mga under
Yun.
oath. At
Okay
hindi
to,
po
ha?
tayo magre-rely sa mga balita ng news.
Salamat
na-
po.
Okay po.
Kaya
Maliwanag
fake
po.
news. Yun ang ibig sabihin non fake news. Ito, tutuloy ko
Salamat din po, Your Honor.
Ito sinabi nyo, ikaw, ito, binanggit mo na ito and this is something that you should apologize also. Anong sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces?
Ms. MJ, please answer.
Okay. I have this, kasi tulad ng sabi ko, ito po ay mga reaction at opinion ko lamang.
Well, therefore you apologize because this is
okay
not
po,
true.
Sir. Okay, sir. I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Chair, this is the second time that Ms. MJ has apologized. I hope that next time, kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay niyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Sapagkat meron kaming documents to show Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement. Being the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apologies, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din pong sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. Hindi po, it has nothing to do with, pasensya na po.
Well, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat, no? Yung binabanggit mong nothing to do with me, pero yung tinawag mong criminal forces, kasama kami dun ikaw naman, mag-isip naman kayo. Ang hirap nito, Mr. Chair, itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga Tatanga-tanga ang gobyerno. Mag-isip kayo. Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Representative Ponduano.
Mr. Chairman, just a matter of protocol. May I move to strike out the statement of the Chairman Abante
Second.
addressed to MJ.
Second,
Ms. MJ.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? There being none, the uttered words is stricken off. Any further questions?
I rest, Mr. Chair, and thank you so much. I'm not angry at you, Miss MJ. We're just ferreting the truth here. Ano?
okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko po alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway,
Ikaw
again,
ang sumulat, Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness.
Okay, we now proceed to the next interpellator. May I recognize Representative Franz Castro?